Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make pork menudo, a delicious Filipino pork stew made with carrots and potatoes. It is cooked in a rich tomato-based sauce and is best served with warm rice. First, heat some cooking oil in a pan. For this recipe, I'm using olive oil. Once the oil is hot, sauté your aromatics. Add minced garlic, finely chopped onions, and yes, the more onions, the better. Then add your sliced tomatoes. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes, or until the tomatoes become soft. Once the tomatoes are softened, add the pork. Just a quick note, I already pre-boiled the pork to remove the impurities. Sorry, I forgot to turn on my camera while doing that part. Next, add half of a chicken cube, fish sauce, dark soy sauce, and seasoning soy sauce. Mix everything well, then cover and let it simmer for about 40 minutes, or until the pork becomes tender. While the pork is simmering, let's fry the potatoes and carrots. I cut them into small cubes for easier cooking. Fry them until they are soft and golden brown. Now let's go back and check on our pork. Once the pork is tender, add the sliced sausages and red bell pepper. You can also use green bell pepper if you prefer. For the next ingredient, you may skip it if you don't like potted meat. You can also use liver spread instead. Then add the tomato sauce and mix well. Pour in some water, then season with salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, and a little sugar to balance the flavor. Mix everything together, then cover and let it simmer for another 10 minutes to reduce the sauce. Now let's check on our potatoes and carrots. Once they are soft and golden, remove them from the pan. Then add raisins and black olives. I prefer using canned black olives because they are not too salty. In the Philippines, we usually use green olives, but you can use whatever is available. Mix everything well and cover for a few more minutes. Finally, add some frozen peas and the fried potato and carrots to complete our pork menudo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.